Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today is my final showcase video showing new stuff that's coming to you. 3rd of August it arrives, and this again is from the mini catalogue, the August to December mini catalogue. And this time, as promised the other day, punches. So we've got 5 punch bundles. I have 4 of them, and I'm going to show them to you. So the first one is Penguin Place and the little matching punch. And if you remember my Celebration showcase of a couple of weeks ago, that's got a design series paper that you can get for free that pairs with this, pair, that goes with this pair. But it's fabulous. So it's a photopolymer clear stamp set, so you can stamp and punch, and you can build the penguin. So you can do the outline and then the white bits and then his feet as well. That's just brilliant. I love it. I love a punch. Punches make me so happy, they really do. There's little accessories you can add as well, so you could add antlers, you can add a scarf, bobble hat, he could send him fishing, he could hold a balloon, and then all his facial features here too. And all these lovely phrases. It's like a little, except a lot. To the coolest friend ever, be cool, be chill, be merry. I like you a lottle. Oh, I like you a lottle. I like you a lottle. It's like a little except a lot. Oh, that's brilliant. I love that. What a brilliant punch bundle. So excited. Right, next one. The Happy Holidays, and that is with an edge punch. So edge punches are brilliant. And let me find a sheet of cardstock. I'm looking for a long one. And what you do is you start somewhere. Anyway, you can start on an end, you can start in the middle. I try to go for the middle. And you punch out where you've got all your bits. And then what you do is with these bits, you line them up over the image that you can see here. And keep walking your way along. Is that the length? That's where I want to be. And then it will perfectly line up. And just come along and do the same along here. And that's how you get your perfect border. Like that. So that's, I love edge punches. I don't use them often enough. I think because I've got them stored in a place where I forget to remember that they're there. And then yeah, all the holly leaves, purple holly leaves, why not? Bits of hollyberry everywhere now. But yeah, an edge punch. So it's not punching anything out, but it will work brilliantly with this. So this is red rubber. Nice crisp clear images, so you're going to get high detail on the robin, which is lovely. I like to think they thought of us Brits with this one because robins are our Christmas bird. Okay, next one, Peaceful Deer, and that's this one. So again, photopolymer, so you're going to be able to stamp and punch. You can see this one fits over here, and that one does too. So this, he's got words on. What does he say? Oh, what fun. So it's very much, yeah, jingle bells. But then you can also punch out the antlers as well. You can't see under my ring lights. The antlers, one antler, yeah, both of the antlers. And the eye detail for the deer. But what's really funny is when I was doing team training and I said to my team, is it me, or when you cover up the antlers and forget it's a deer, it looks like a leaping lamb, doesn't it? It might just be me. But you can do stag, you can do a doe, you can do a fawn. And it's brilliant. And there is also paper in the Celebration that goes along with this one as well. But yeah, love a punch. Oh, happy girl. Right, and then the last one, stars are shining. And beautiful as those are, and quirky as they are, and so much fun, this one is going to be, pun not intended, a real star of the show, because you're going to be able to punch out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hello, Sorrel. 6 stars in one go. So you could punch them out in cardstock or something like that, or you can stamp and punch. And this, again, photopolymer stamp set. Twinkle Twinkle Christmas Star, and the stars are shining brightly. Joy to the world, be merry and bright, celebrate the wonders. So definitely Christmassy songs going on there. And yeah, punch all of those out in one go, or you could do background stamping with those all over, and then punch your stars and raise them up and sit them on top. But yeah, this is definitely one for quick crafting. I can't even speak. So those are the 4 punch bundles I've got, and I can't wait to play. So, like I say, these two, they've got designer series paper that goes alongside them in the Celebration catalogue, so you can get that for free with a spend over £45, 60 euros, or you can simply shop these. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope you've appreciated the showcase this week. I wanted to bring them to you. I don't do unboxing videos or anything like that. I kind of think I would find that very overwhelming, seeing everything all in one go. And when I did the paper showcase and the embellishment showcase from the annual catalogue a few months ago, everybody said, I was getting messages and emails, people saying, thank you so much. I hadn't realised how lovely everything was. Really appreciated seeing them close up. So that's why I've decided to do it again, because I feel that this will be helpful to you, seeing not necessarily these. I think if you were going to get them, you'd get them anyway, because, you know, we all know how brilliant punches are. But the embellishment and the papers, showing those as well. So I do hope that you've found that useful. And yeah, can't wait for the new catalogue. Bye.